Here's Precious Piper in the lobby, and she's sitting in front of the big box that she's got now. Now there's a large box back there. Yeah, and she likes to sit in there sometimes, like a little clubhouse. Yeah, look at this. She's all happy. Yeah, cleaning herself, doing her hair. Look at those cute little feetsies. Yeah, she's such a pretty girl. Look at this. She sits there in an attitude like, nobody better touch my box. Yeah, that's what it looks like. This is one of the best ones she's ever had. And she's going to sit there right now and make sure nobody gets it. Look at that face. Look at that look of determination. Yeah, she's going to let the world know that this is her box. Oh, look at that sweet little face. Yeah, she's such a nice girl. Such a pretty baby. Yeah, here's pretty Precious Piper guarding her box.